Make sure y'all go subscribe and hit the all notification bell on my music channel, King Hustle X1M. Just dropped a new music video. Can't fuck with me. Go like, share, comment, subscribe, run them views, comments, and likes up. About to be dropping a lot of new music real soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, hit the all notification bell. So when I drop all this sauce and all this new music, new mixtapes, and all that, you'll be notified. All right. And with that being said, what's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hustle. And yes, this is the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Also, make sure you follow me on my Twitch, King Hustle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from those YouTube channels and that Twitch. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so you won't miss out on nothing. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right. Got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing Make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you pay for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. Hey, let's get this thing started. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hustle. And yes, we are back at it again with another King Hustle crazy video. You tired of being a zero? You ready to be a family hero? Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen, because you already know when I drop these videos, it's going to be some information that's going to help you win. Yes, sir. And in today's video, we will talk about how you can get a $10,000 new business loan, new small startup business loan with your new business. All right. It could be more, it can be less, but I'm going to give you guys some help and some advice and some information on how you can start properly structuring your businesses and getting funding, right? Because a lot of people out there starting new small startup businesses that need some type of funding to invest into the product, to payroll, you name it, all right? So we're just going to say to invest into their new business, all right? So today we're going to talk about how to properly structure your new small startup business so you can start getting funding fast, all right? So without further ado, let's get into the gems that's going to help you win, all right? So when it comes to businesses, when it comes to structuring a business, when it comes to business funding, people have to start understanding that just because you have an LLC and got your EIN number does not, in a business bank account, does not mean that you're going to start getting funded. You have to properly structure your business credit profile the same way you structure your personal credit profile. Now, when it comes to business funding, business credit, you don't need to get your personal credit to a 750 credit score, 800 credit score. No, but you need to get it at least into fair standing, because you might need to utilize your personal credit as a personal guarantor, or they might just check your personal credit, or they might not. So you just want to be on the good side, because if you do have good personal credit, it'll help you get business funding faster. And that's just how it is. So it's a lot of people out there interested in getting business funding. It's a lot of people out there that's starting to realize how you can change your life off business funding. You can get millions of dollars in loans, invest that millions of dollars, and come out successful. As long as the product that you're investing in is beneficial and is creating some type of revenue, generating some type of revenue. So a lot of people got to understand that business funding is not automatic. Having a successful business is not automatic. You have to build and grow. So first thing you need to understand is that please stop getting these LLCs and these EIN numbers, and you don't have a brand or a platform or clientele yet for this type of product or this service that you want to offer. A lot of people have good ideas and they get LLCs and EIN numbers off that. And I think a lot of people think that just because you get an LLC EIN number that you're going to automatically get clientele, or you're going to automatically just post something and people are going to automatically want to buy something from you. Like, it's a lot of people out here that really doesn't have a social media presence, meaning that if you were to sell something right now and post it, you probably get 1 or 2 likes, if that. It's a lot of people out here that doesn't know how to market and promote their product or their service. So putting all those together, you're not going to be able to sell whatever that you want to sell or offer whatever that you want to offer, and nobody's going to buy it because you don't know how to put your product out there for people to want to buy it. And that's where the 3 P's come in at: the product, perception, and promotion. That's what the world works off: product, perception, and promotion. As long as you got a product that you promote and sell, the perception that this is what the consumer wants and needs, they're going to buy it. And that's what anything and everything in the world, everything that we have on this earth is a product. And we brought it because we were sold the perception that this is what was the best product at that time. And that's just the honest to God truth. So people got to understand that the world works off the 3 P's. So if you don't have a hustle, if you're not already got a clientele or a product base or something like that, get it. Because starting an LLC will not work for you if you don't already have or generating revenue. Because when you're starting a business, it's going to cost money for sure. You got to invest into business trade lines, business, creating the business the right way, structuring the right way. Like these things cost. And if you're already generating revenue from your business, from your product or your service, that wouldn't be a problem. So first thing you want to do is start off with your personal credit. Like I tell you guys in previous videos, getting your personal credit in a decent standing is just all about showing on paper how you can manage money. So if you got debt, stop disputing those accounts. Just start paying off those accounts. Start paying those accounts. Get credit builder savings trade lines. Get unsecured. Um, get secured credit cards and loans. Um, it's payday loans out there for $5,000 that are approved. So some people get as many trade lines as you can, because a lot of people don't understand that primary trade lines help you improve your credit profile faster than anything else. And a lot of people don't understand that when you make a couple payments for a couple months, you can refinance that bill and you can get cheaper rates. So it's always good to make payments, refinance, and get cheaper rates so you can save money and hurry up and pay the whatever off. So a lot of people don't understand that. You go through different tiers on your credit profile. You can't automatically get a Lamborghini truck if you never financed a car. You can't automatically finance a Mercedes Benz or nothing nothing over $50,000 really. And so that's why when people like, oh, these new credit profiles, these CPNs, you can only do 50,000 because of the tier. It's a brand new credit profile. You got to get trade lines and all that on it. So getting your personal credit profile decent, at least a 650 and above will be decent. Start managing your payment history, your debt and age on your personal credit. Make sure you already got a product that you can that you're already generating revenue with. So when you do start your LLC or an EIN number, you can put money into your business bank account. Now you got bank statements for your business. Um, then you got to start getting these business trade lines. So the first trade line you're gonna have to get is the NAV Credit Builder business account. That's like $500 a month. It's gonna help you start building your business credit. Then you gotta go to Credit Strong and get the Credit Strong business trade lines. That's like $1,000 a month. But that's gonna build every business credit score that you have except for your Paydex score. Now, in order to build your Paydex score, you're gonna have to get net 30s. And there's different places that offer net 30 accounts, like Uline, Granger, Quell. You can easily Google business net 30 trade lines, and a lot of different sites will pop up. And then what you want to do is get secured loans or credit cards, basically utilizing your own money as collateral towards a loan or a credit card. Now, when it comes to a secure loan or credit card, people hear this and be like, what's that? How do you do that? Well, basically, all you're doing is say you got $100,000 in your business bank account. You're going to put that in the savings account. They're going to lock that, and you're going to pay interest on that $100,000 loan until it's paid off. Just all you're gonna be paying is the interest. Once it's paid off, it's gonna report as a paid off $100,000 loan on your business profile, which will help you when it comes to getting funding from other places. Because they gonna see you paid off $100,000 loan. Okay, so maybe let's bump up your credit limit. We'll give you $100,000 too, or we'll give you $250,000. So that's how a lot of people build their credit profiles, personal and business, by getting secured loans and credit cards, basically utilizing their own money as collateral to start building the payment history and the age on their credit profile. So those trade lines and those accounts, secured credit cards and loans will help you build your business profile fast and help you start getting the funding that you need to succeed and win life. Now, different banks have different requirements. Some banks require that you make 5K a month in revenue, 6K a month in revenue, be in business for 6 months. Different requirements, different banks, different lenders. So just all about checking the requirements that bank lender group has that you're going to, and making sure it works best for you and your situation. All right, so make sure you guys are taking that information. Make sure you guys are actually understanding what I'm saying from getting your personal credit together, because everything is just based off credit worthiness, payment history, and things like that. How good you can manage money. As long as you can show that on personal and business side, you will have no problems with getting any type of funding, right? So shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime 101 unlimited gems are $1,000. But for limited time only, I am doing it for 500. Yes, 500 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 500 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. All right, no screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions, and please do not yell me. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all see on the crypto tour in person with me, James 3500. $500 deposit, the rest of the money meet in person. Make sure y'all booking y'all see on the month-long mentorship, 2500, 30 days. Anything you need help with, let's get to work. Make sure y'all checking out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato App Millionaire Network. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, or women. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the notification bell on all my YouTube channels and my Twitch. Make sure you follow me on my new IG, King Hustle X11.2. Make sure y'all checking out the crypto world because it's changing people's lives. And make sure y'all check out my music channel, King Hustle X1M. Go check out my latest mixtape that I just dropped, Hustle and Flow. Nothing but pure motivational music, grown man music. So you ready to get motivated, get some money, and get your hair right, go listen to this mixtape right here. I promise you, it's gonna put you in that mode to really get some money, get your mind right, and stand up business. Also, I just dropped a new music video, Can't Fuck With Me. Make sure y'all go like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Go run them views, them comments, and them likes up, because I'm about to be dropping a lot of music. And with that being said, man, I'm about to drop a little clip preview for y'all right now at the end of this video. So with that being said, I'll see you at the next lesson video or live. Peace.